Hello, and welcome back to our Scrum study course on A Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, the SBOK Guide. We're in Module 3, Organization. And in the last video, we introduced the core and non-core roles that are applied in Scrum. In this video, I'll go over the 3 core roles in detail. You'll remember that those 3 roles are the Product Owner, the Scrum Master, and the Scrum Team. So let's get started and break down each of these roles so that you understand what they're all about. The Product Owner represents the interests of the stakeholder community to the Scrum team. The Product Owner is responsible for ensuring clear communication of product or service functionality requirements to the Scrum team, defining acceptance criteria, and ensuring that those criteria are met. In other words, the Product Owner is responsible for ensuring that the Scrum team delivers value. The Product Owner must always maintain a dual view. He or she must understand and support the needs and interests of all stakeholders, while also understanding the needs and workings of the Scrum team. Because the Product Owner must understand the needs and priorities of the stakeholders, including customers and users, this role is commonly referred to as the voice of the customer. The responsibilities of the Product Owner are numerous and varied, depending on which process is being conducted at the time. For example, during the Create Project Vision process, the Product Owner defines the project vision and helps create the project charter and project budget. During the Form Scrum Team process, the Product Owner helps determine the Scrum Team members, develop a collaboration plan, and develop the team building plan with the Scrum Master. Later, during the Create Sprint Backlog process, the Product Owner clarifies requirements to the Scrum team while creating the Sprint Backlog. And the Product Owner also participates in the retrospective sprint meetings during the retrospect project process. The other responsibilities of a Product Owner are determining the project's initial overall requirements and kicking off project activities. This may involve interaction with the Program Product Owner and the Portfolio Product Owner to ensure that the project aligns with direction provided by senior management. Representing users of the product or service with a thorough understanding of the user community. Securing the initial and ongoing financial resources for the project. Focusing on value creation and overall return on investment, ROI. Assessing the viability and ensuring the delivery of the product or service. As a representative of the stakeholder, the Product Owner is said to be the voice of the customer as he ensures that the explicit and implicit needs of the customer are translated into user stories in the prioritized product backlog, and later on used to create project deliverables for the customer. In the case of large projects with numerous Scrum teams, having a Chief Product Owner may be a necessity. This role is responsible for coordinating the work of multiple Product Owners. The Chief Product Owner prepares and maintains the overall prioritized product backlog for the large project, using it to coordinate work through the Product Owners of the Scrum teams. The Product Owners, in turn, manage their respective parts of the prioritized product backlog. The Chief Product Owner also interfaces with the Program Product Owner to ensure alignment of the large project with the program goals and objectives.